This is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English drama The Play Tempest. Today we are going to deal with the long answer of the question Mask Tempest as a drama of Mask on the basis of Act 4 Scene 1. So in continuation of previous tutorial we are going to proceed with that now further. Now you read already about Mask, a popular form of entertainment during Elizabethan time. Mask means blessing, singing, dancing, merrymaking. It was just in order to please the young couple Ferdinand and Miranda. It was Prospero, a man of power who had command over number of his spirits by ordering his dedicated and faithful servant Ariel. He decided to show the vanity of his art. Now before the young couple Ferdinand and Miranda, number of his spirits presented, just like Juno, the highest queen of the sky, Iris, the rainbow goddess and her messenger, and next one Ceres, the goddess of agriculture. Now they are blessing to the young couple for everlasting joy, happiness, and make the life of young couple rich and prosperous. For the entertainment, there was also a folk dance, that was country dance, a nymph along with a reaper, farmer, performing very beautifully and gracefully the dance before the young couple. This is what described by Ferdinand as most majestic vision. Now further. In the midst of the wonderful celebration, stressed Prospero end to the show of merriment. He orders the spirit, well done, avoid no one. So in this regard, you'll find Prospero is very much happy at this celebration and how obedient the spirits were to follow the instruction and order of him. He is disturbed by the thought of Caliban and aids approaching to execute the murder conspiracy. The young couple not only get disturbed at the sudden end of the miraculous mask but also concerned about acute change in Prospero's mood. Now in such joy and happiness there was a stress taken place. Why there was a stress? There was a stress in mind of Prospero because of the murder plot. Who is making murder plot? It was murder plot planned by Caliban with help of Stefano and Trinculo against Prospero to kill him. Actually this truth came into knowledge of Prospero. That's why Prospero decided to give them punishment. A merry-making and joyous spirit of Prospero suddenly changed from joyous to sadness. This was observed by the young couple Ferdinand and Miranda. Okay, Prospero tries to comfort them. Prospero trying his best in order to give the comfort to the young couple Ferdinand and Miranda, stressing upon the fact that the vision was not real and was created by the spirits. So in this regard, Prospero is defining about the vision and he is saying that the vision whatever presented before you Ferdinand, it was not real vision but it was magical display. It was a perishable as the tall tower, beautiful castle and holy temple. Just like in dream, you observe the beautiful things, no matter related to any temple, beautiful buildings or tower. All these either away with time, thus the mask on a large ground represent the dreamy human life. and its vanishing highlight that our life is not perennial. Okay, so what you find on the ground about the meaning and sense of the mask? That mask larger ground represent the dreamy human life, and its vanishing highlights our life is not perennial. Perennial means happy forever. Prospero wraps up the mask affair with the words. What he is saying that over little life is rounded with sleep, throwing light on the eternal sleep that follows our finite life. So actually, just in dream, we think about utopia, that is ideal land, but that never exists. That only exists in our dream, our imagination. Okay. So similar pattern, life is full of happiness, sadness, joy, sorrow, prosperity, adversity. So similar pattern, Prospero is defining that nothing in this world is permanent. Everything can be destructive. In this regard, thus, mask proved to be an elaborate spectacle that appeals to the senses of the audience. Clear? So, what is mask? Mask is going to prove an elaborate spectacle that appeal to the senses of the audience. The music, dance, dialogue, and lyric entertain the audience. What is going to entertain the audience? Music, dance, dialogue, and lyric. It's clear? The mask serves a greater purpose as well. Prospero, being the representative of Shakespearean mature spirits, enlightens the audience about our limited role as the world is like a stage through the explanation of concluding the mask. In this regard, Prospero is none but mouthpiece of William Shakespeare. Prospero is mouthpiece of all the many speakers who are giving some message in the drama. Okay, so overall you can say that mask was a popular form of entertainment during Elizabethan time. Especially it was a medium of blessing, song, dance, lyric, dialogue in the court of Queen Elizabeth. Okay, thank you.